Welcome back, guys, to another video. This is T Bricks here, and today we'll be doing another video on overhead ranks and on the rainbow name tag script. So this time I am going to be using the name tag to use it on an NPC, so then the NPC could have its own name tag. So let's get started with the video. This video was suggested by Ev Gaming. Here's his profile over here, and I'll put the link in the description. So what you want to do is you want to go to plugins over here, and you want to download the plugin called Load Character Pro. I'll put the link in the description. So all you gotta do is just put in your username. Let's just put in mine. So after that, I'm just going to do R15 because that's usually my avatar. And after that, what you want to do is you just want to go to your toolbox, go to my models, and download the ranks model by me. So and after that, you get it, unknown name, unknown rank. And after that, what you want to do, I'm just going to put in the server script service for now. What you want to do is you want to go to utility, you want to go to rank, and after that, you're going to duplicate it. And after that, you want to put it in the NPC. So now after when you've done that, you want to put it in head also. And after that, you see unknown name, unknown rank, and this is all on the NPC. And after that, you want to go to the rank and the frame, open it, and after that, go to the name. And you want to go to the text. You don't want to go to this part, the name. You want to go to the text. And after that, you could change it to whatever your username. And after that, you want to go to the text label. And after that, you could also do the same thing, except you could do it for rank. So you could either do like your rank or like a description, or you could just do like a top donator. And after that, what you want to do is I just want to get rid of this name over here. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the model, and after that I'm just going to delete the name. And there you go. This is your NPC with the name tag over here. So after that, what you want to do is we could just test it for now. After that, I go here and I see the NPC. He's anchored and he has the name tag. Just like a rainbow name tag for your NPC over here. What you want to do is you just want to create a new script. You could just call this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it NPC rainbow name tag. And after that, what you want to do is you want to go to server script service. You want to go to the overhead ranks, right click and go to open. And after that, all you want to do is you want to go all the way down and see this wild true loop. You just want to copy it. And after that, you could paste it in here. And after that, you also need the variables. So let's go local rank will equal script.parent. So after that, what you want to do with the script, you want to open the NPC and you want to put it in the rank over here. So let's put it there. And after that, all you gotta do, let's test it. And after that, we drop down and our little NPC has the rainbow name tag matching with mine. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.